It's ridiculous to celebrate only one day as a Women's Day where people just come together, take a photograph, and then believe that their job is done, isn't it? It's ridiculous. Now, we at INDD are proud to celebrate every day as the Women's Day. Throughout the last year, we have been celebrating, right? Every single day, or where somebody got a promotion, somebody got a new brilliant job, somebody scaled their business, and somebody learned a brilliant new skill and won big. This has been a biggest joy of our life to be able to celebrate every single day as a Women's Day. And this year as well, we have been celebrating every day so far as Women's Day. Now, if you are interested in celebrating with us, join today and we will celebrate today as a Women's Day, where hundreds of women come together, win together, learn together, and keep growing together. I invite you to join today's masterclass, where you start winning big.